It's almost refreshing. Today we're going to be making pina colada popcorn, and to do that we're going to be using this gold medal floss sugar. This is the same stuff that they use to make cotton candy. So we're going to be using 1.5 cups of this, we're going to be using 1.5 cups of corn oil, we're going to be using 3 cups of popcorn kernels. We're also going to be using 1.5 tablespoons of compound S, which will just help this sugar stick to the corn better. We're making this all in our kettle corn popper that we made. If you're interested in making one of these, down in the description there's a link to those plans which you can get for yourself. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. We're heating up these kernels, we're heating up the oil. We'll wait for this to start popping just a little bit before we add our pina colada floss sugar. In the description there's a link to the Popcorn Genius recipe book that you can download for free, so definitely check that out. Great summer day to make that pina colada popcorn. This smells really good. It's just corn oil and kernels, but it smells really good. Alright, looks like we're starting to pop. We're going to add in our sugar, pina colada mixture, along with our compound S. Starting to foam up. You'll notice that when you use that compound S, it tends to make the sugar mixture foam up like that. Smells a little sweet. Here we have our new popcorn sifter. This is something we got on kettlecornmachine.com. It's just a stainless steel popcorn sifter that goes in the bottom of this food safe storage bin. What that's going to do for us, that's going to help get all those old maids and those unpopped kernels out of the mixture before we drop it in our bin. Alright, we're starting to pop. We're going to give it a little bit of a shake back and forth. Start to scoop it all down, get all those old maids out. Oh yeah, that's nice and coated on there. I coated it really well. I'm going to let that cool down just a little bit. Take a look at it. Ooh, that is hot. It's still hot. Couple pieces there, nice and coated. It's still hot. As this cools down, it's going to get more of a candy coating on it. Let's give it a try. Okay, yeah. Okay, nice and sweet. You can taste a little bit of that pina colada in the back. As this cools down and it gets that candy coating on there, it's going to even get more flavor to it. Oh, but that's really good. It's nice and it's almost refreshing in a way. Great summertime flavor. You can make this too. Remember, get out some pina colada floss sugar and you can make some of this on yourself. So get out there and get popping.